Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we completed the 26th question, children. 25th question we completed. And here now we'll discuss the 26th one. Okay, yes. 25th completed, children. 26th one. Children, I am explaining of each and every problem, and here everyone should practice these problems and questions, children. Compulsory. It is a mandatory that everyone should practice these question answers. Compulsory. Okay. Why I am explaining of each and every question means in order to get an idea of each and every problem. Okay, children. If I am leaving of 1 to 2 problems, then you too can leave those problems, children, no problem. But compulsory, whatever that I am teaching now here, all the problems whatever that we are discussing, compulsory you should practice those problems. You should practice those question answers. Okay, children. Now see here, children, 26th one. Here in the 26th question, children, make a note of this 26th. Now we are discussing this 26th question, children. Divya observed a horse pulling a cart. She observed that a horse is pulling a cart. Normally you know that the horse pulling a cart. She thought that the cart also pulls the horse with same force in the opposite direction. Yes, we know. She thought that the cart is also pulling according to the Newton's third law. If a force is acting on any of the body, the same force is acting in the opposite direction. If you push a wall, okay, if you are applying a force on the wall also applies the force on you. It is according to the Newton's third law. Okay, in the same way, see here, Divya observed a horse pulling a cart. She thought that cart also pulls the horse with same force in the opposite direction. Yes, as per the third law of motion, the cart should not move forward. Okay, children. Actually, the cart should not move forward. But her observation of moving cart raised some questions in her mind. Okay. That means whatever the observation while she is observing, some questions have been raised in her mind. Can you guess what questions are raised in her mind? Okay, children. What questions are raised in her mind? Okay, children. Okay, what questions are raised in her mind, children? Okay, right. We'll see some of the questions. What are the questions that are raised in her mind, children? What questions are raised in her mind? Okay, here normally the questions that are raised in her mind are: what makes the cart move forward? You should also imagine it. What makes the cart to move forward? Even the cart pulls the horse back. Okay, even the cart is pulling back. Actually, when the horses are pulling the cart forward, the cart also pulls the horse backward. But here the cart is not moving backward, it is moving forward. Okay, therefore here what is asking, what is the question that comes? What makes the cart move forward when the cart pulls the horse backward? Okay, first question. Excuse me. What makes the cart move forward? Even the cart pulls the horse back. This is the first question. Next, second question. Does Newton's third law is applicable to this situation? Does Newton's third law is applicable to this situation? Not only these questions, children, you can write on your own also, but don't write the simple questions. Okay, children. What are the forces acting on the cart? What are the forces acting on the cart? What are the forces acting on the cart? And here, children, Which forces are greater so that net force is making the cart move? Which forces are greater so that net force is making the cart move? Net force on the system is 0. Why? A cart and horse exert force on each other, or are there any forces? These are the questions that are raised in her mind, children. Whenever here as per Divya, children, okay, these are the questions that are raised in her mind, children. Okay, when the cart is moving forward, the horse is also, when the force is exerted by the horse on the cart also exerts the force on the cart, children, horse. But even though the cart is moving forward, therefore what are the questions that are raised in her mind is the question that we got, children. Okay, therefore here what are the questions that we are getting here? What makes the cart move forward even the cart pulls the horse backward? Okay, what makes the cart? That means even though the the cart is pulling the horse backward, it is not coming back. But what makes the cart move forward? What is happening? What makes the cart move forward even the cart pulls the horse back? Okay, next, does the Newton's law is applicable to this situation? Is the Newton's third law applicable to this situation or not? And here, what are the forces acting on the cart? What forces are acting on the cart? What are the forces that are acting on the cart? Okay, children. Which forces are greater so that net force is making the cart move? That means what are the forces that are exerting more such that the cart is moving forward? Which forces are greater so that the net force is making the cart move? And here, net force on the system is 0. Okay, normally the net force on the system is 0. Okay, net force. Why? Because it is moving forward. Therefore, the net force on the system is 0. Why? Okay. And here, and the cart and the horse exert force on each other? Are the cart is exerting the force on the horse and horse is exerting the force on the cart? Okay. Are the horse exerting the force on cart and are the cart exerting the force on the horse? Or are there any other forces? Are there any other forces other than that? These are the questions, children. These are the questions that are raised in the mind of this girl, that is Divya. Okay, children. Okay, the forces. These are the questions that are raised in her mind, children. Okay, children. Therefore, not only these questions, children. Not only these questions, and here you should resemble as if that you are Divya, children. You should resemble that you are Divya. Therefore, here whatever the questions that are raised in your mind, you can put forward to this question, children. But not the simple questions. That means cart moving, horse moving, not such type of questions, children. But here whatever the questions that are related to this question, children. Okay, whatever the questions that are related to these questions which are raised in your mind, you can resemble them as if that these questions are exerted by the Divya. Okay, children. When they ask about not only Divya, any girl or any name, any boy name or anyone, you can resemble that you are that's the same exact person, and you can write whatever the questions that are raised in the mind, children. Normally, this comes under the academic standard, children. That is questioning, asking questions and making hypotheses, children. asking questions and making hypotheses. But present this type of academic, this is removed, children. This academic standard has been removed. Therefore, here, but even though as the question is given, you should answer them. Okay, children? The remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.